And on to a big breaking we are getting right now. Big terror admission there being made by former ISI chief Hamid Gul, where he has said that he sent his two sons with the Haqqanis to wage jihad. He also went on to say that the Haqqanis network is as good as Pakistanis. So that's the statement being made there by the ex-ISI chief, saying that he sent his two sons with the Haqqanis to wage jihad. And he also went on to say that Haqqani's network is as good as Pakistanis. Let's play out that sound bite of Hamid Gul first.
हक्कानी नेटवर्क की अहमियत यह है कि अगर हक्कानी वगैरह की जो सोच, जो इंतहाई पाकिस्तानी सोच है, यानी पाकिस्तान के साथ उसको आप कह लें कि मैं अपने तहीं पे आप बताऊं कि हक्कानी साहब को जब मेरे दोनों बेटों ने जहाद पे जाना था, इन्होंने ख्वाहिश जाहिर की, तो मैंने इंतखाब किया था हक्कानी साहब का कि उनके साथ जाएंगे और ये उन्हीं के साथ गए। उमर और अब्दुल्ला दोनों मुख्तलिफ औकात में अफगानिस्तान में जहाद के लिए शरीक हुए। हक्कानी साहब मेरे जितने ही पाकिस्तानी हैं, हिकमत ज़ाहिर हो या हक्कानी हो, इनके बारे में बड़े वसूख के साथ ये बात कह सकता हूं कि वो इतने ही बड़े पाकिस्तानी हैं जितना मैं हूं।
Going across to Gursimran for more on this. Gursimran, we heard Hamid Gul there making that statement. This openly, exposes the nefarious designs of Pakistan.
Indeed, this exposes the state policy of Pakistan, that how they are involved with the deep-rooted these terror groups which are involved in carrying out the terror activities across the world. And the way Hamid Gul has accepted his involvement and his close relations with the Haqqani network, that he has sent two of his sons, Umar and Abdullah, for jihad with the Haqqani network, this speaks that how Pakistan is abetting the so-called jihad. And the way he has sent them for fight in Afghanistan, this also exposes that bundle of lies Pakistan has been making time and again, that they are not involved in Afghanistan.
Well, absolutely. And this calls for global condemnation as well, because Pakistan has openly, this has exposed how, okay, we seem to have lost that connection with Gursimran, but we will get you more on this. So that's the statement being made there by the former ISI chief, where he has said that he sent his sons to wage jihad and saying that Haqqani's network is essentially Pakistani.